Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we're going to be doing lots of cleaning, motivation to clean our kitchen, our living room. That's what I'm going to be cleaning today. I hope this video motivates you to get cleaning your kitchen as well. The kitchen is one of the messiest places I think that gets the messiest in my home because it gets used a lot, and the dining room. I like to start off with my dining room. I have a very small dining room or a small dining area, so I'm going to be cleaning my dining table, throwing anything that needs to be thrown away in the trash. For this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how I disinfect the vegetables, the fruit that we buy from our grocery store. So if you like to watch all of that, stick around and keep on watching this video. For those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia Mireya. I share with you guys lots of cleaning videos. That's my main focus for this year, to share with you guys lots of cleaning videos, how I clean my home, what products I use to clean my home, how I wash my clothes, what do I do to keep my house clean. If you like cleaning videos, motivation to clean videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell. That way you are notified of all of my upcoming videos and you don't miss any of my new uploads. If you also like cleaning videos, and if you also like to clean your home, hit that like button. I have a question for you guys. When you guys are cleaning your home, where do you guys like to start to clean? Do you guys start with the bathroom? Do you guys start with the kitchen, the living room? Please let me know in the comments below. I like to start off with the dining area because that's the place, like when you walk into our house, that's like the first place you see. Well, besides the living room, but the living room is not, it's not that bad. At least many of the times it's the kitchen and the dining area that's the worst. So I like to clean the dining table just to clear it off from any mess that it might have. Then I sweep and I mop my dining area. Yeah, I used to have a big dining room table. We're a small family. It's my husband, I have a son that's 5 years old, and myself. So we downsized to a smaller dining table. I don't use my dishwasher. I just feel like it's gonna waste a lot more water than washing the dishes by hand. But I really don't know. I guess I should try it one of these days to try and use my dishwasher. But if I tell you guys the secret, just between you and I, that's where I store all of my kitchen containers. And I'm just so embarrassed to even show you guys that. But I know you guys have probably seen it like really fast when I'm showing you like a cleaning video really quick and putting dishes away. I know that's one of the areas that I want to get cleaned up this year. Like I want to get rid of all the old containers that I don't really use and just clean up my dishwasher and just leave it clean in case I ever decide to wash my dishes there. Clean dishes, I put them on the left side of the sink, and those dishes, I let them air dry overnight. Those dishes were cleaned, I put those away, and then I started with cleaning my dishes. I'm going to be using a different soap today to wash my dishes. The one that I always use, my favorite one, the blue one, Dawn dish soap. But this time I decided to use the one that I already had, or I've had for quite a while. I bought a couple of products from Miss Myers online. And yeah, I just wanted to give it a try. I didn't like it as much, to be honest, because the dish soap wasn't as a tough degreaser as the Dawn dish soap. But yeah, I like to add just a few drops of Clorox as well, just to disinfect my dishes. Now, to disinfect my fruits, my vegetable, everything that we buy at the grocery store, I bought this new product. It's a spray that's called Lift, and you just spray it onto your fruits and vegetables. But I feel like, and I put all of my fruits and vegetables in a big container, but I feel like that's not enough to disinfect. I mean, it probably is, but I like to fill that container up with water. And sometimes, like the cucumber, you know how they have, like, you can feel that grease on the cucumbers or the tomatoes. I like to grab my sponge with a little bit of mild soap, just a little bit of soap and water. I scrub my vegetables as if I was washing the dishes. Obviously, the sponge is already cleaned up and it has clean soap and water. For the most part, that's how I disinfect my vegetables. Now, the lettuce, I like to rinse it in the water. Now, the radishes and the cilantro, if you put them in the container with water, you're going to see at the bottom that it still has plenty of dirt. You'll see it. That's why it's very important to wash and rinse your vegetables. And I like to do this before I put everything back in the fridge. It's also very important to disinfect. I put a servilleta or a big cloth and I just let them air dry there as well. Sometimes when I want them to dry up faster, I put a little fan. That way a little dry, much quicker. So that's what I do with all of my fruits and vegetables. have another question for you guys. How long does it take you guys to clean your kitchen? I'd really like to know. I feel like I take so long to clean my kitchen. Another thing, I cannot clean in a dirty kitchen. Like, I have to clean it first before I start my cooking. Whatever it is that I'm going to be making for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, my kitchen needs to be clean before I get started with my cooking. I use the Wayman glass cooktop cleaner. I feel like this is the best cleaner that you could have for a glass cooktop. And don't worry, I'm using a little blade. It's a blade that came as a kit with my cleaner. Then I'm going to be using the granite and stone spray cleaner. And I'm just going to be using a microfiber cloth to clean the rest of my stove, as well as for my microwave also. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys cooking and cleaning videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you like cooking and cleaning. Let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite cleaning videos to watch? To mop my floor, I used Pine Sol, a little bit of OxyClean, a little bit of bleach as well, and water. Yeah, that's what I used. I like to switch it up. Sometimes I use Fabuloso. Then I'm going to be moving on to cleaning my living room. My living room was a clutter mess. It just had things everywhere. Once I put things in its place, it was looking a little bit better. Now, I'm going to be vacuuming. I just got this vacuum maybe about a month ago. I'm really happy with it. I really like it. I mean, it's not that great of suction, like to suction all of the hair. Sometimes I still find one or two on my carpet, but it'll do for now. It's a good vacuum for the cost. There are so many better vacuums out there on the market, but they're so expensive. So this is what I could afford at the moment. So that's why I got this one. So this is what my living room looks like. Very neat now, clean. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys before and after images of my kitchen and dining room as well. Please don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't forget about me and you come back to watch all of my cleaning videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the future. Take care, guys. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.